Climate change is the long-term warming of the Earth, mainly caused by burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas. These fuels release carbon dioxide, which traps heat in the atmosphere. Scientists around the world agree that this warming leads to stronger storms, rising sea levels, heat waves, and changes in ecosystems. The scientific evidence is consistent and supported by many years of research, showing that the planet is warming faster now than at any other point in human history. Even though the science is clear, climate change has become a political issue. Different groups have different concerns. Some leaders focus on protecting the environment and reducing carbon emissions to slow global warming. Others worry that changing energy systems too quickly could affect jobs, raise energy prices, or harm industries that depend on fossil fuels. Because these priorities conflict, climate change becomes a political debate instead of a problem everyone works on together. This disagreement slows down progress even when experts agree on the solutions. Another challenge is misinformation. Online posts, videos, and headlines can spread false or confusing information. When people see mixed messages, it becomes harder to understand what is true. This makes it difficult for the public and lawmakers to agree on solutions, even when the science is reliable. Misinformation also creates doubt, which can cause people to ignore scientific evidence or believe claims that are not supported by research. As a result, important decisions get delayed. A balanced solution is possible. One recommendation is to invest in renewable energy, such as wind and solar power, while also supporting communities that rely on fossil fuel jobs. These could include job training programs, new technology investments, and helping businesses shift to cleaner energy instead of shutting down. This approach protects the environment while also supporting workers and local economies. It also gives communities time to adjust, which also makes the transition fairer and more realistic. There is strong evidence that renewable energy creates new jobs, reduces pollution, and becomes cheaper over time. These benefits show that transitioning to cleaner energy can help the planet and support long-term economic growth. The reasoning behind this recommendation is that science-based decisions combined with support for affected communities allow progress without leaving people behind. When policies consider both environmental and economic needs, they are more likely to succeed and gain public support. Climate change affects weather, health, food, and the places people live. It is not only a scientific topic or a political argument. It is a real-world issue that impacts everyone. The choices we make now will shape the world that future generations will live in. We can move toward a safer and more sustainable environment if we understand the political science and challenges focused on solutions that help both people and the planet.